Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, at the moment we are here at the Westmed train station. Yeah, very near to Parramatta Park. Yeah, we're going to take the train and we're going to explore this city of Parramatta, at least the central business area of Parramatta. I check which one is cheaper to pay, using Opal card or using the debit card or credit card, and it says that it charges the same. And we are now here in the Parramatta station. I remember this is where I get down before, long time ago. That one is heading to the shopping center, Westfield, but I prefer to go on the street. It says here Parramatta Square. And this is the Parramatta Square. Yeah, this looks like a very modern place, business center. There are several shops, restaurant. That made me confused where to go. Oh, there's a road. We go to the road. Oh, this restaurant, they are busy. And these people, they are waiting. I actually don't know where to go. I want to go there. I also want to go there. But I also want to go there. And because there are more people that is coming and going in this area, we are also going this way. I actually cannot handle the cold, so I'm going to put my jacket on. Yeah, the place actually giving me the vibe of Melbourne. Yeah, it really is, because of the cold temperature and yeah, the high-rise buildings. It really looks new to me. Oh, it is 12:34 the time. That's why some of the shops are getting a lot of line, people on queue. This is actually the place that I'm looking for. Yeah, this is the old like shopping street where all the shops and restaurants are located, and I think this place is very active in the night, but I think not this time of the year, because yeah, there is a construction of the tramway. Those patio, those are what I remember in 2016 when I went here. There is a river here with these apartments, and it is actually a park. There is a walking trail. We're not going to do that. Instead, I'm going back, but on the other side. In 2016 when I went here the last time, and 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 8 years. So 8 years actually the good, like a good year, like the good gap to visit again the place. And you're going to, yeah, I'm actually amazed again with this place. Yeah, I like this kind of place with a lots of establishment, shop and restaurant, with a lot of people. You know, every city there is always construction going on. Yeah, it never ends. Always doing an improvements, making the place more beautiful, more convenient, more accessible. Yeah, more secured for different reasons. There is one cathedral here. Yeah, those are traditional buildings. And then in here there is a St. John Anglican Cathedral. This is like a small plaza. And that's the train station where I've been. And so I'm going to the shopping center in Westfield. Going to eat Filipino food. Not necessarily Filipino food, but the one that is approved to my taste. You know, one thing I noticed is there are so many barber shops, and I'm actually tempted to have a haircut, but we'll see. Look how busy is this place. A lot of people over that side. Very satisfied with what I just ate. It's actually just $7 from over there. And McDonald's is still the busiest. Lots of people on queue. We're getting out here, but there is another extension of the Westfield. Also shopping street. Airplane. Oh, I was actually coming from upstairs, and there is just a cinema. I stayed there for a little bit, finding a way to go to the shops area, but yeah, there's none. It's just a cinema. And so I'm back down here. There are more busy restaurants here. Just next to the train station and bus waiting area. Then if there is a seat for me, I'm going to have a coffee here at Max Brenner Chocolate Bar. There must be a seat for me. Looks like nothing. Yeah, no seat for me there, so we find another coffee shop. This one is going to the super highway already. We're going back to the Westfield. Oh, I almost forgot recording, but I'm actually having this cappuccino and yeah, waffle. So I am inside the shopping mall for about 2 or 3 hours, and the time now is 4:25, and yeah, I'm heading back to the bun. And you know, the wind breeze is very cold. Yeah. Oh, there is a tram. In 2016 there is no tram, but yeah, they started the construction when they arrived the day after. Look at this. There is the establishment here teaching English, coaching for IELTS, PTE, OET, NAATI. Yeah, so basically, yeah, like an English course. Yeah, I remember when I took my PTE, I passed. Yeah, my English actually able to pass the IELTS and PTE test, English test. Oh, look at this. They have this all kind of signature bags, just like this one. This Louis Vuitton Avenue NM canvas sling bag, $2,349. The road is getting busy. And I'm going inside to the park. Yeah, we are inside now. And we find another lover's life, and it is the last night. And now that I'm feeling that you may come alive, never get enough, never get enough, never get enough of you. Oh, last night, I mean yesterday, same time like this, I saw a fox here.